Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Gradient Sentry node on your iPhone using the Mises browser. So head over to your App Store. Let's search for Mises browser. Okay, make sure you have the Mises browser installed and updated to the latest version. Now check the description below. I'll be dropping these links below so you follow. Okay, now let's download the file. Okay, let me paste this to my Mises browser. Okay, you can see the download button below. Click on it to download the file. Okay, now the file has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and import the file into our Mises browser. Click on wallet settings. Click on install from a CRX or a zip. Okay, now open Mises browser folder. Let's import the CRX-Extactor. Okay, you can see the CRX-Extactor has been imported. Now let's go ahead and head over to Chrome Web Store and look for Gradient Sentry node. Okay, let me show you so it looks a little easier for you. Search for Gradient Sentry node extension on your phone or Gradient Network extension. Okay, as you can see, click the first link. Click on Add to Desktop. Okay, now click on Extensions. Click on CRX-Extactor. Let me zoom in. Click on the second one that says download as CRX. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now you have to import the file you just downloaded into your Mises browser. Click on wallet settings once again. Okay, let's install from a CRX or a zip file. Okay, click on downloads within the Mises browser folder. We can see our gradient file has been downloaded. Now let's go ahead and import gradient into our Mises browser. Okay, go ahead and log in your gradient account. If you don't have an account, you can use my link in the description below. Okay, I'm going to sign in right now. Okay, as you can see, we've been able to log in our gradient account, and this is my account right here. Now, if you log in like this, make sure you turn on your extension, else you're not going to be mining anything or farming any airdrops. So make sure you click on your wallet settings, click on Gradient Sentry node to check and see if your node is running in the background. Okay, as you can see, our node will be starting and it has been installed. So make sure you are running it all the time, guys. Make sure you are running it, else you won't be farming anything. Don't just log in your account and leave it there. Do you understand? Okay, so it will do this for a couple of minutes, but keep on checking. It will start mining for you. Okay, thank you very much, and make sure you use my link in the description. Join my Telegram. I'll be uploading the files on my Telegram in case you face any issues downloading them.